Hello everyone! For today, I'll be making another review, and that review is related to my hair color, and I'll be doing the Kolours Hair Pack review. So yun nga, since ito yung pinili ko kasi nakita ko isa siya sa pinakamura na alam mong trusted brand, and it's only available for only 250 pesos in all retail stores. So yun, it is the Asian hair expert, so I'll pop the information down below in the description. Also, available din siya in many colors, but I choose the Balinese brown since ito yung pinakamalapit sa hair color ko right now. And I've been doing this since second year high school, so I know na hindi ako allergic dito. But if it's your first time, may instructions naman kung anong gagawin mo to know if you're allergic to the hair color that you will be using, especially the hair color pack. So yun. But first, I will show you guys what's inside. Stay tuned and keep on watching. By the way, when I told you na I've been doing this since second year high school, I've been doing hair packs, but not specifically the Kolours Hair Pack. So first time ko siya talagang matatry if effective siya or maganda yung pigment ng color niya. So yun, pag open mo ng pack, ang available inside is the cream colorant. Ito yung mismong color na ihahalo mo dun sa color developer in your tiny bowl. And of course, available din yung gloves. And yes, may special editions sila. Wow, special. Meron silang free vitreous conditioner. Ito yung i-apply mo after mo nang banlawan yung hair color sa hair mo. So yun, ito yung mga laman niya. And meron naman instructions inside if you're gonna buy the pack. And outside, may instructions din. So yun, malalaman mo talaga if may effective to later on. So for now, I'll show you guys my hair. I'll pop it right here. Ayan yung hair ko now. As you can see, tumutubo na yung hair ko. Lumalabas na yung pagka-black niya. Medyo nag-fade na yung pagka-reddish ng hair color ko. So I hope that this product would achieve the hair color that I want. And nakikita nyo rin pala sa taas yung magiging hair color nyo if virgin pa yung hair nyo and if may experience na siya to any treatments like rebond, colors, kulot, or anything like that, especially highlights. So yun, depending pa rin pala to yung magiging effect niya sa hair color mo if yung hair mo is dark or light. So I suggest if you want to really pop the color, ang piliin nyo, pag dark yung hair nyo, kanyari black hair nyo, piliin nyo yung pinaka-lightest para ma-achieve nyo yung, para mahalata kasi mahirap nga naman pag dark yung color ng hair mo. And if light naman yung hair color mo, tas gusto mo lang is medyo dark, so I suggest yun na rin. Vice versa, you're gonna choose the darker one. But depending na rin to sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong hair color. But for me, I choose the Balinese brown. I will put everything in the description below kung ano yung mga colors available nito and where you can buy it. So yun. Thanks for watching. And for now, magpapakolor muna ako sa kapatid ko. So, bye muna. So, as you can see guys, in-apply na ng sister ko sa hair ko yung colors and medyo nahirapan kami kasi makapal yung hair ko. Pero I believe mas madadalian ko pag manipis and maiksi yung hair nyo. So, yun. Ang sabi sa package is you need to wait 30 minutes but I suggest you wait a little bit longer, 45 to 1 hour. Kung kaya nyo kasi nga mas mag-settle yung color and mas magiging light siya. If gusto nyo talagang mag-pop yung color, I suggest mas tagalan nyo. So yun, after this, I'll wait like an hour, then i-wash ko, i-dry ko, then I'll show you guys, then we'll compare together if naging effective ba siya compare sa color ko kanina. So yun, I suggest to na wear something dark if you're gonna apply para hindi mamansyahan yung damit, or wear a t-shirt na hindi nyo na masyado ginagamit. So yun. So this is the final hair color and nakakatuwa lang kasi orange reddish siya just like in the packaging na sobrang na-achieve niya, and nakakatuwa lang din na hindi siya nagmansya sa body parts ko like sa forehead and sa ears and sa hands. Wala talaga, as in wala kang makikitang stain, and nakakatuwa lang din na binigay nilang conditioner na mini. Akala ko no effect yun, pero nakakatuwa na parang sobrang soft ng hair ko ngayon na hindi siya parang bagong kulay. So yun guys, I would totally recommend this for you guys. Sobrang sulit siya for 250 pesos. And I know na kanina is parang dark yung sa color. So, ganun talaga siguro siya. Akala ko nga magbablock na eh, pero hindi. Na-achieve niya pa rin yung orange and reddish type na gusto ko. And tulad nga nung sinabi ko kanina, I waited for 1 hour before ko siya i-rinse. So, mas na-achieve niya yung color na gusto ko. So before this video ends, I would like to thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you love this review, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below on what more reviews and tutorials you want me to do for you guys. And always remember to have a soft heart and a brave soul. See you soon!